Unit 1, Lesson 3. 1. Look and listen. Then answer.
What's happening here?
Well, it's lunchtime and everyone's in the playground.
What time is it?
It's 1:45. Look, you can see the clock on the wall.
Oh, yes. And when does lunchtime finish?
It finishes at 1:30.
What are the children doing?
Some are playing volleyball, some are playing football.
Down.
That's Emma. I think she fell over.
Who else can you see?
I can see William.
Which one is William?
He's the boy who is eating a snack. I think it's a biscuit. Oh, and I can see Sarah and Michael. They're having a race.
Unit 2, Lesson 3. 1. Look and listen. Then answer.
Look at this picture. What's the weather like, Richard?
It's cold and foggy.
What month do you think it is?
It's December. Look, there's a Christmas tree next to the lake.
Oh, yes. And what are these people doing?
They're skating on the ice. It looks fun. I can see Emma. She's skating really fast.
Which one is Emma?
She's the girl who's wearing a blue coat and striped trousers.
Oh, yes, I see.
And those two boys who are throwing snowballs are Michael and William.
Would you like to be there, Richard?
Yes, I would. I love winter.
Unit 3, Lesson 3. 1. Look and listen. Then answer.
What's happening here?
They're at the airport. It's very busy. Everyone's going to fly to different countries.
Which shops can you see?
I can see a bookshop.
What's the woman in the bookshop doing?
She's looking at the magazines. Yes, she's going to buy a magazine.
What's that place next to the bookshop?
They're the toilets. There's a man pushing the door. He's going to use the toilet.
Look at the man waiting to check in. What's he carrying in his hand?
He's carrying a pink ticket.
Can you see a boy who's carrying a rucksack?
Yes, I can. He's waiting for his mum. They're going to fly to London.
How do you know?
I'm guessing, but he's reading a book about London.
Unit 4, Lesson 3. 1. Look and listen. Then answer. What's happening here?
Well, there was a fire at the factory and all the people had to come outside.
Can you see the fire engine?
Yes, there's a fire engine and there are 3 firefighters.
How many people are in the ambulance?
There's a doctor and there are 2 people from the factory.
What's the woman who's next to the ambulance doing?
She's a journalist. She's talking to people. She's going to write a story about the fire. She works for the newspaper.
Who else can you see?
I can see a photographer. She's taking photos of the factory. She's going to sell the photos to the newspaper.